What's good, and good morning from Canada. Starting early, bright and early today. Yeah, Polygon has fallen out of that wedge finally to the downside. Looks like that Elliott wave theory that we've been talking about on the channel may play out. Ethereum couldn't break through that level of resistance. So we're going to get into that, guys. I will be announcing the winner of the 25K giveaway in tomorrow's Polygon video, so stay tuned for that. Gotta wake myself up a little bit here. I'm just going to drink some water. So we're down 11% on the day. And on the 7-day, we are down 13%. All right, guys, so we're sitting at a market cap of 9.22 billion and a 24-hour volume of 2.23 billion. So we're going to look at Ethereum first, guys, the master energy here. So we're here on the daily chart, and you can see we had the bullish cross on the MACD, which is a good sign. Now we might see these lines start to hug each other for a little bit as Ethereum decides what it wants to do. All right, guys, so we can see here we hit that resistance. We weren't able to break that double bottom, and we've rolled back. So it's crucial times right now, guys. What we want to see is that we go through this corrective triangle. I mean, we're in an ascending triangle, and we do a little something like this. You have your A, B, C, D, E, and then you have your breakout. But it can also go the other way around, guys. We did come down into this, so you can also see where you would come down. Here's the bottom of your wick, and you would go A, B, C, D, E, and then you would break to the downside. All right, guys, so it's crucial to keep an eye on Ethereum to see if it bounces around 24.51. If we see it come down and it bounces and it starts to break out and we get that confirmation, then we're good to go here with Ethereum. But unfortunately, we hit that resistance. We didn't break out for that double bottom to take us up to that price target here. So we're going to jump over into the 4-hour chart. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, guys. You can see we hit that resistance and we came back underneath the EMA. So it's do or die around that, around about 2500, and in the high 2480, 2490, right where that red line is, just right in this area here. You have about 2500. Look for us to find support in that area and kind of bounce back, and then you would have that A, B, C, D, where you'd go A, B, C, D, E, and then you bounce back up and you have your breakout, guys. So it's very crucial, guys, that we find support around that $2,500 mark here and bounce back and get back above the EMAs and have our breakout that we've all been waiting for. We were pretty excited yesterday, but that's why I said in the beginning of the video, let's not get too excited yet because we still have to break those key levels. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour. Yeah, so we're here on the 1 hour chart, and you can even see a bit of a double top where you have your top, you have your second top, and then you had a bit of a breakdown here. Just gonna measure it for you guys. And kind of brought you down here, and now we're just kind of rolling over. So you can see how much support is in this area at about 25.38, that range there. Support here, you had support and resistance in this area as well, guys. So that will be your key level of support. It does look like it may come down to that. However, it can bounce at any time and bounce back. But if you do see it come down to that level of support for Ethereum and bounce back, that's a great sign, guys. And then you need that confirmation that we've all been waiting for. We might come down like this, you bounce back, you turn that back into support, you break through key levels of resistance up here at about 28.95. You break through, you break up to about 3,000, and we continue onwards and upwards here for Ethereum. Now, guys, if we do break out of this, if we do a little something like this here, where we come down and we break down and we back test as resistance and we break down, then you're definitely going to see that further downside. That would not be a good sign here for Ethereum. So pretty crucial times here in the market for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. If we were to break down, guys, we do have levels of support down here at about 2157. All right, guys, so let's hop into our friend Polygon Matic. Here's the 4-hour. I wanted to start on the weekly, guys. So we're here on the weekly, and we've been talking about that Elliott wave theory playing out. I don't think anybody else is talking about that. So I'd love your guys' opinion on that as well. So you can see that we're still a bit overextended from the 20 EMA, and I talked about us maybe, and I talked about us seeing that further corrective wave here. So if we put it here on the daily, actually I might put it onto the 4-hour because it's just more visible. So we have our Elliott wave theory here. We have your 5 impulsive waves: wave 1, corrective wave 2, wave 3, corrective wave 4, wave 5, followed by an ABC correction. And corrective wave A is usually a full retracement of wave 4, and you can see here is a full retracement. And then you have your A, B, C, and your C wave is the deepest. And then you start again, you create your impulsive wave, and then you create your impulsive, and then you create your corrective wave. And I talked about us coming down to that $50, $49, $50 range, and it looks like that could be a possibility. We may find support here. You can see a level of support here. There is a bunch of support in that area as well, so we might see us bounce here. Let me drop a line in. You might see us bounce here as well at about $1.57. However, if you do see Ethereum kind of make its way down here to that 25.33 mark, then you'll most likely see Matic, in my opinion. Remember guys, it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada sharing his opinion. If you see Ethereum drop to those levels, I think you'll see Matic come down to that $1.50 and kind of have that corrective wave and find support. All right, guys. Now, if we do bounce up from these levels here, then you do have resistance. Let's move this up a little bit. Oh, you do have resistance in this level here. Right here, a bunch of resistance right here at about $1.77. If we do bounce back, guys, and then you have $1.94 resistance in that area as well, and up here at about $2.42, major level of resistance, guys. So right now we're just waiting to see where we find our support. All right, guys, and if we come down to that $1.50, $1.49, $1.50 range, then we could see our little Elliott wave theory play out here, where we have that corrective wave, we find support before we see our next impulsive wave here for Matic. So let's put it onto the 1-hour chart, and I'll tell you guys what I'm seeing here. So we're here on the hourly chart, and you can see we're having a bit of a free fall. Now we do have that support I've been talking about in this area, so we could bounce from this area here, or else we'll come down to about that $1.50 range, that $1.50 support that we've been talking about here. You can see, you know, we've lost the EMAs, we've had the bearish cross, and now we're just kind of waiting to see where we're going to find support here for our friend Matic. All right, guys, so we were kind of anticipating this, guys, so just wait for us to find that level of support, and then we'll go from there. And then of course we still have those future price targets. If we see that bounce, we find that major level of support in that $1.50 range, and we bounce back, we see Ethereum correct, we see BTC correct, we go over that bullish scenario. Of course, the bearish scenario is a possibility, but always look for your indicators, things like the MACD with Ethereum, and us going through that corrective pattern. Like, it's just crucial right now with Ethereum to see if we bounce from that 25.33 and we bounce and we break that resistance. That's what we're waiting for. And then we could see our friend Matic head up to those price targets. We have $3.77 here at the 1.272, and then we have $4.63 at the 1.414, and of course at 5.94. If that Elliott wave theory plays out and we see that next impulsive wave. All right, guys, that's it for Matic. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. Check out the Patreon, over 1,000 members strong. Talk all things crypto. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.